In this video, Cresco International will show how organizations in the auto industry can prevent purchasing damaged vehicles from auto auctions using IBM Watson Analytics, an intelligent way to predict buying behavior using data to make a good car buying deal. Using Watson Analytics, here we have a data set that contains detailed vehicle information about auto auction transactions, including vehicle age, make, model, color, acquisition price, and so on. Finally, with the decision metric set as is a bad buy. The data is now loaded into IBM Watson Analytics. The uploaded data shows the number 63, which means medium data quality analyzed by the IBM Cloud model. Next, we click on the Predict functionality, name the dataset, and select a focus of target metrics such as is a bad buy. As Watson Analytics creates the prediction on the fly, we notice the predictive spiral shows the predictive strength of three variables: vehicle age, vehicle acquisition price, and fair market price to be the same at 90.4%. By clicking on the distribution chart of vehicle age, the number of cars in different vehicle age categories is shown clearly in this histogram. By clicking on details, we observe data showing a good buy percentage as decreasing while vehicle age increases. Same as vehicle age, similar steps can be used in other variables to detect more insights. Moving on to two-field analysis, the predicted strength is demonstrated by interactions such as the two metrics. Clicking on the first chart shows the details in percentage bar, showing ratio of a bad buy versus a good buy in vehicle age and make categories. Finally, the combination type analysis in IBM Watson Analytics automatically builds a moderate predictive model with comprehensive results. The decision tree highlights the highest probability path of the target variable with options of displaying good and bad buys. The result shows the target variable named is a bad buy is associated with 12 variables. All of the variables are sized in proportion to the predictive importance. In this case, vehicle age is the most effective variable. In summary, IBM Watson Analytics provides detailed probability predictions. If the target variable is set to good buy, then we can see each condition detail and its relative probability. The likelihood of buying a car with a good deal from car auctions will be shown in the left blue area once the condition is met. To see how your organization can benefit from IBM Watson Analytics and to start your free Watson Analytics 3D service, contact Cresco at wa3d@crescointl.com or call 844-6-CRESCO.